Hello everyone, myself Sreelakshmi. I completed MCA in the year 2018. I am from Kerala. When I looked through Naukri, I found the eVision and I came to know about eVision. And eVision is an online job training platform. It provides online job training course for the freshers who are looking up for careers in IT industry. And I enrolled for the OGT program, online job training program in December 2022. And now I got placed in HCL MNC with the salary offered 3.0 LPA. And in eVision, this training helped us to gain knowledge in networking, ITIL, Windows administration, cybersecurity, Linux administration, and many more. The tutors were very knowledgeable, and they also conducted mock interviews on daily basis, which helps us to boost our confidence level. And I'm glad that I got placed in a company within a short duration. So I thank eVision and the placement team for all the support and guidance. Thank you.